Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Well, we've been MIA for a little bit, and with everything going on with the COVID-19 and all that stuff, we've been kind of quiet, but we're back and we're doing the unthinkable. We're traveling during COVID-19.
During the pandemic.
Yeah, so we were in Mesa for a couple weeks at Mesa Spirit Encore RV Resort, part of the Thousand Trails package, and we went to extend because the RV parks are closing because of COVID-19, and it was going to be like $1,000 for a month to stay there with no amenities, and it's just ridiculous that they're taking advantage, to be honest. So enough of that rant. It kind of pissed me off, but nonetheless, we decided, since we're from South Dakota, that we'd go ahead and head to South Dakota and quarantine ourselves there, and
wait this thing out.
I can finish the install of the solar on the rig and film that, so look forward to those videos coming. But our summer plans are completely toast, like most of you, so we're right along there with you, and we're just playing it by ear. But we're going to go hang out in South Dakota for about a month, maybe 5 or 6 weeks, and see what happens, and then make some plans from there. But
once this pandemic is, or the quarantines are all lifted, then we can make some plans, maybe.
Yeah, we're really itching to see that grandbaby in Salt Lake, but it's just not going to work right now, and it's just too risky. So, whoa,
we don't want that baby sick.
Yeah.
We want to see all of our family. And please say a little prayer for our oldest daughter. She has positive COVID-19, and she is an RN at a local hospital in Arizona.
Yeah, she was
I haven't been able to see her.
Working the COVID-19 ward and tested positive, so she's at home. She's actually doing better. Yes. She's, what is she, 27? And
yeah, she's healthy.
She's healthy, so she should be fine. But it kind of sucks because we'd rather stay there with her, but she'll be fine, and we can always come back if something happens. But anyway, yeah, we have to start moving.
Yeah, it's gonna get hot.
Yeah, and it's getting hot in Arizona, so we're gonna bug out and go north. But anyway, we're gonna bring you along. If we run into any roadblocks or any craziness like that, we'll be sure to share, and we'll show you some of the sights along the way. But we're gonna stop in Prescott Valley first to do propane fire suppression install, so that'll be fun.
Gotta keep people safe from their RVs.
Gotta keep people. Yeah, that's a good point. Got to keep people safe, and we got to stay busy because it's boring not being busy. So
people are being in their RVs a lot longer, so they need to have that peace of mind of being safe.
Yeah, that's true. All right. Well, I guess we'll come back in a little bit when and if something happens or something exciting. But it's a pretty straightforward drive. We're going to go north 25 through Colorado. So we'll get to see some new scenery. We really haven't had a chance to do much in Colorado, so that'll be cool.
Summer thing.
Yeah, and we're not in a big hurry. We've got a week to get to South Dakota, and today's Saturday, so we'll get there when we get there. But thanks for sticking around the channel. We know we've been MIA, but we appreciate your support, and hopefully your families are all healthy and happy and being safe. That's what really matters. Keep everyone safe, and we'll get through this together. But that's about it for now.
Be safe, guys. Stay healthy.
All right, well, we made it to Gallup, New Mexico. Oops, Maggie dropped her blanket. Get it, come on, come on. She's all excited. But we made it to Gallup, New Mexico. We had to dock here at Walmart because all the New Mexico state parks are closed. Or I'm sorry, all the New Mexico roadside rest stops are closed. So we landed here at Walmart, which is okay. there were tons of truck drivers and RVs here because all the rest stops are closed. So we got a good night's sleep and we're gonna keep trucking. We're gonna head over to Albuquerque and we're going to hit I-25 and head north through Colorado and get to South Dakota. So we'll get the truck packed up. I gotta turn the generator off. It's a nice cool morning, but let's get on the road. Muffins.
Those are not keto. They're just muffins.
They're just muffins.
In 1/2 mile, turn right on Moonless Drive.
Solar field. That's
Yeah.
new in the past few years than we've been here. Everything's so closed. It's so eerie. Nobody on the roads here in New Mexico and like Arizona. Everybody's out and about.
Yeah. Balmy 48 degrees. So we started getting hot in Arizona. It's not hot here. And we're going to Colorado where it's really going to be hot. I'm just joking.
Take the ramp on the right to
I say there's going to be snow.
There will be.
Denver, most likely. This time of year, I don't know. Albuquerque. This is the easiest trip I think ever through Albuquerque.
Not much traffic, that's for sure. It makes it a lot easier.
Yeah, normally it's back-to-back cars like Phoenix. Or worse. We're taking Junction 25. Snowy here in Colorado Springs, Colorado. It is the day after Easter and very snowy. What do you think of the snow, Maggie? You don't like it?
Good morning, Pueblo, Colorado. Wow, we did not expect to wake up to this. To Wyoming, but
it's been snowing for a day.
Yeah, hopeful that we'll get through Wyoming. We're just gonna kind of skirt through the corner of it and go up to the bottom of South Dakota. Well, we made it to South Dakota. We didn't encounter any roadblocks except for the closed roadside rest areas in New Mexico. That was really the only thing. And the traffic was super light, so it was probably the easiest trip from Arizona to South Dakota that we've ever made. We're here at America's Mailbox, here in Box Elder, just west of Rapid City. And it's cold and rainy, but it's not snowing, and the forecast is looking up, so we should be able to get some work done on the rig and get some sightseeing in, hopefully, if it starts warming up. Just a quick update on our daughter. Her and her boyfriend both contracted COVID-19. She picked it up at the hospital. She's working the COVID-19 ward, and she brought it home and, of course, passed it along to him. But the good news is, after a couple weeks of quarantine and rest, they both recovered, and they're doing great. She's actually back to work now, so that's good. We were really worried because we had to leave and we couldn't hang out with her. We couldn't see her before we left because of the quarantine. So we're just thankful to all of you for all your concern, to those that reached out to us in concern for her health and well-being, and for the community's prayers and well wishes. We just thank you guys. You guys rock, and we sincerely hope that you guys are staying healthy and staying safe during this entire ordeal. Thanks for riding along with us on the trip from Arizona to South Dakota during the COVID-19 pandemic. Again, we hope you all are safe and healthy and happy. Hope that you're not too bored being quarantined, but I know this will be over before you know it. We'll all be back to traveling in our beautiful RVs and having a blast, meeting up on the road. We look forward to seeing you guys out there later on this year when things return to what we're going to call the new normal, I guess. But until next time, stay safe and safe travels. Bye.